Welcome to All Things YouTube.
Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. These last few videos were part of a 7-day challenge I've been participating in. It's hosted by Impartial Geek. That's David Foster. You can find out more about this 7-day challenge, which anyone can do. It's not tied to a specific date that you have to start. You can do it on your own schedule. Head over to creatortoolkit.com and you will get all of the information you need about this. Essentially, David has you commit, create, and connect. These are the core tenets. What's my commitment to you? I'll be streaming 7 p.m. Eastern on All Things YouTube. It's called All Things YouTube Live. Open Q&A all night long, and I will also give you topics on creating searchable videos people actually watch. Because after you start doing that, you will grow an audience. Your channel will grow. Then you can meet your goals, whether it's to inspire or sell something or educate or entertain. Whatever you're doing on YouTube, you need people to be successful, and growing an audience is how to do it. And you grow an audience by making searchable videos people actually watch. As part of my commitment, look at my streaming schedule. I stream all over the interwebs, not just on my channel. And this will aggregate everything in real time. You want to see what's happening? The nearest event is always on top. Open it up, and then I always choose the set reminder button. That way you'll be sure to get notified. Here is how you get David Foster's free creative toolkit. You would click this button after you log in with your free account. All of the lessons are here. It's 100% free. I also have my own course here on allthingsyoutube.com, and click the free preview button. You'll sign up for a free account, and then you'll be into my course. And I have 3 major areas. I have channel setup for those that are completely new. Make searchable videos people watch. Hello. That's awesome for everyone. And then grow an audience. 32 lessons on my course are absolutely free. And I'm all about the free content. So take this 7-day challenge. You'll be committing, creating, and connecting with people. And that's what you need as a core piece of your success strategy. And it's all there on Creative Toolkit. You want to get into the nuts and bolts of YouTube? I got you covered with my course. It's called Be Awesome on YouTube. All right, this is it. If you like this video, slap a like on it.